Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. So I create this video to demonstrate and show to you on how to install virtual private network on Ubuntu operating system, and also show you how the virtual private network works on our Ubuntu operating system. First, we need to test the connectivity between these two of machine. On my right side is my client machine, and on my left side is my server machine. So first, just enter the IPA to see the IP address of the machine, and followed by command of ping and enter the IP address of client, because now I am at the server machine, so need to ping the client. So 172.20.10 and 4. So this show that connectivity was established. Same goes to the client, ping 172.20.10.3. This also shows the connectivity established successfully. After test the connectivity, we need to create the folder. So for the server, we just enter the mkdir. Before that, we need to change the directory to the desktop. So cd desktop. Same goes to the client, cd desktop. So now we just enter the code of mkdir followed by the name of folder that we want to create. In my situation, the name that I want to create is server, and same goes to the client, mkdir followed by the name of the folder, which is client, and then click enter. So after click the enter, this folder will create on our Ubuntu desktop interface. So after create the folder, we need to create C file. How to create C file? So we need to enter the folder first, which is cd server and cd client. When we have done enter the folder, we just enter the command of touch to create the file, and follow by the name of file that we want to create, which is VPN underscore server.c. And on my client, touch VPN underscore client.c. After you enter this command, you can see the file was created by using the ls command. As you can see, this is file that we have created just now, C file. And then after create the C file, we need to construct the C code on the C file that we have created. So the code you can get from the link that I will paste on my last video. So you can refer at the my last video for the link of the code. So how to construct the code? on the file that we have created. So just enter the command of, sorry, we start with the server. Let's start command on server first, nano, followed by the name of C file that we name it, which is VPN underscore server.c. Same goes to the client, nano VPN client.c. As you can see, my file already contained the C code, because before this I just ran it to make sure this code is functioning well. So you just enter the code that you get on my link that I provide later, and after you paste the code on both file, on client file and also server file, you need to save it by click the Ctrl X. Same goes on the server, just Ctrl X. So after construct the code on our C file, we need to compile the C file. So how to compile the C file? Before that, on both machine, client and server, we need to install these two tools, which is GCC tools and also libssl-dev tool. So now I will show you on the server first. Sudo, we start with sudo apt install GCC. Enter your password. And done. And install the libssl tool. Sudo apt install libssl-dev. As you can see. So same goes to the client. Sudo apt install GCC. Enter your password. Okay. So after that, just sudo apt install libssl-dev. Enter. So after that, after we done for the installation of these two tools, we can compile the C file by enter the code. Let me clear first. So enter the code of GCC followed by the name of C file, VPN server.c, and followed by the -o, and followed by the name of compile file that we want to name it, which is VPN underscore server, followed by the this -lssl and -l crypto, and enter it. Same goes to the client, GCC followed by the name of C file, client.c -o, and followed by the name of file that we need to compile, client, and -lssl and -l crypto. After you enter this command, you can see on the folder that the compile file was created. Same goes to the server. The compile file was created. So when the compile file was created, we can run that file to test our virtual private network either can run or cannot. So just put ls to see the name of file, and follow by the command of / followed by the VPN underscore compile file name, and then enter. So the compile file was run also on the client / VPN client. So if you enter 1, the system will enable the VPN, and the IP address of client will encrypt it because of the VPN. And on client we can enter the message hello world, and then you can see the message also encrypted on the server. So I will test again for the non-VPN, which is enter the 0. So as you can see, this is the actual IP address of client. Because of non-VPN will not encrypt the IP and message. So if we enter the message hello world, the message also not encrypted. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching, and I hope you can do this by your own. Thank you.